kabithani gaka.
Na tukitigana riboti ĩgiĩ kuoya kura nĩ atĩ komanda wa borithi gĩtaro-inĩ kĩa Rift Valley nĩwe Samuel Ndanyi nĩ atatĩrithĩtie bata wa arĩa maikaraga mũtitũ-inĩ wa Mukogodo gũkũ nĩ Laikipia ya rũgongo metikire gũthama rĩrĩ kũrĩ na mũngũrũrio wa kũhamũrithia mĩitũ ĩrĩa ĩratharĩkĩra mahiũ ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkĩagagia mũingĩ wa gũkũ. Akĩaria arĩ taũni-inĩ ya Nanyuki hĩndĩ ya mũcemanio na atongoria a ũgitĩri a Laikipia, Ndanyi augĩte honge ciothe cia ũgitĩri nĩ ciambĩrĩirie birigiceni ĩno na nĩ irathiĩ na mbere na kũgĩa na umithio. Ũguo atũria mũtitũ ũyũ mabatairie gũtheria na kũnyitanĩra na maabitha aya gũkinyanĩria mĩhang'o ĩno.
That was here. That ultimatum was given for 7 days for the people to get out of the forest. It has since expired, and quite a number of peace-loving wananchi have come out of that forest. So up to now, we believe that whoever is still in the forest then is a criminal, and that's why we have actually actively activated the operation that is now ongoing. So we have not had any issue because actually the local chiefs sensitized their people, and as at 3-4 days ago, we had reports that so many people had come out of that forest. Those are the ones I'm saying that the peace-loving. So whoever is still in the forest, now the law will take its course, because now we have actually activated the operation. So,
any last word to the people of Laikipia as far as security is concerned?
What I would want to tell them that let them share any information that they deem fit, that maybe because now we need to be proactive and as opposed to being reactive. So we just want to urge them that should they have any information, let them feel free. Our offices are open for them to give us information so that we can act based on the information that they are going to provide. We have had several successes, especially in the fight against illicit brew, courtesy of those information that we get from the members of the public. So we still want to urge them. They already understand the negatives of the illicit brew and those other drugs. So we still want to urge them that let them volunteer information, and will act accordingly to the information. Even in those areas that we have active information, let them share the information with us, and then we'll act promptly.